exercises. One being a flat chest press, which works the mid chest. What's called an incline chest works up here, kind of lifts everything up. And then the shoulder press up overhead to work the shoulders here. Now you're going to see here, there's a number here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see there's a 1, 2, 3, 4. One is the decline bench. When you work in the decline, you're actually going a little bit further down here on that press. And that works everything underneath the chest area. And that also helps to lift everything up. Number 2 is a flat bench press. 3 is an incline. And then 4 is a shoulder press. So let's start off with a regular flat bench, which is number 2. I go to adjust it to number 2 here.
So they have to correspond.
Exactly. Yep, easy enough. And you can see there's actually a little silhouette there of the position that you're in. So you'll see what exactly you're working. And the placards on the side there show the different presses, what exactly they're working. Adjust the weight back here. And you've got a pretty heavy weight stack on here, all the way up to 200 pounds because people tend to get pretty strong in the chest pretty quickly. So there's going to be plenty of weight on here for everyone to use effectively. Get in, press out. This you can press out 100% right here. 12 to 15 repetitions on this exercise. Now what you want to do is adjust the seat pad here, and you can even just lift this up here. When you have the bars, you want to make sure the bars line up right across your chest here. So if you can see right now, the upper bars are lining up exactly where I want to start. Is there a question back there? No? Okay.
Move that seat again?
There's a ratchet style system right here. You can just lift it up, or bring it down, just press right down right there. Pretty easy. And let's move this over into, let's see here, the shoulder press. Up overhead. Number 4 there, number 4 here. You're going to notice you're going to be leaning slightly forward. That's because it does so many different exercises. Grab the bar here, go right up overhead. If you want to go a little bit more higher up over the shoulders and want to use the second bar, start off, grab the first bar here, the lower bar first, then switch to the second bar. You go almost straight up overhead. To get out of it, bring your hands back down to the lower bar. Just come back down, get up and out. Questions?
You're supposed to have the numbers the same.
Yep.
Because I had it on 2 here, and 3 here. It was more comfortable. Because the other way, it's like so far back.
Okay. That, if you find that working out on position 3 and then position 2 is a more comfortable starting point, by all means do it that way. Because this machine has to be accommodating a wide range of users, people with different amounts of flexibility. If it started off too far forward, there'd be a lot of complaints that they don't feel like they're getting a good enough stretch. So to your point,
It's too far back.
if it's too far back, start the next one up.
And what is this weight? No, because you can't have it, like it says, say 45 pounds on there. There's more than...
Well, the way that it's geared, yeah, this is more than 5 pounds.
That's what I'm saying. The machine must weigh so much to begin with.
It actually does. I'm going to say this is probably more like doing a 25-pound press. Now, the big thing that that manufacturers do is that some of them still put weight on the machines. A lot of people get caught up in how much weight they're doing. Some people have opted to put numbers on them. So people won't get a machine and say, you know, I can do 100 pounds on that machine, I should be able to do 100 pounds on this machine. Each machine is different. So I really want to pay attention to how much weight you're doing. I'll get in there, and again, that point to 12 to 15 reps, see what you can do comfortably. Now, if you use the other machines and said, you know, the last chest press I did 100 pounds on this, I can't do more than 80, then 80 it is in this machine. You don't have to feel like you're taking a step backwards. It's still the same type of workload. Okay? Questions? Nothing? Anybody? Okay.